All right, everybody. Hey, Sprocket Tech 248 here, and this is day 2 of the National Fireworks Convention. Excuse me, I'm stepping down on the escalator. So I'm going to pan the camera real quick. So you can see all the pyrotechnic goodies. So yeah, there's some really cool stuff that's here, and like I was telling everybody, I would love to get some of this product out to the Pacific Northwest and that. So if you guys are interested in helping along, I'll try to get some stuff set up to do that. So let's just go on down here. So there's some really cool products that we don't see here in the 33rd state. And I'm doing some serious networking, by the way. And it's really super cool. I mean, just talking with general people, the information I have learned is phenomenal. And I tell you what, a footnote. My sister has admitted that she got bit by the pyrotechnic bug. Love it. So yeah, there's some really cool stuff. Before I start filming each booth, I'll ask each representative of the booths on their product, if I could film their product. So I'm just kind of doing a, what we call in the industry, a dolly walk. So I'll just take you guys through the convention. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll go high on it. So you can see some of the lines that you can, So, and again, I'll try to look at some stuff. Hey Dave, how's it going?
Hey, all right.
How you doing?
Okay.
That was Dave from pyrotalk.com. He's got a really cool YouTube channel. Coming off your right, sir.
Tried it.
So, it was really cool things, you know. Got all kinds of really cool stuff. So I'm gonna tip up a little bit. So again, what I'm doing is called a dolly walk, so that way you can go through some of the stuff. So, and it's just general video, so it's not focusing on anybody, stuff like that. So, I'm just going to go up and down the aisles real quick. Take you guys on a tour. So, yeah, this is a really neat venue. If you're interested in the world of pyrotechnics, this is an excellent source for that. But like I said, we do not have anything near of this in the Pacific Northwest. Hey! Okay. So you can see stuff like that. Hi, how you doing?
Hey, where you from?
I'm from Oregon.
Oh, okay, Morgan. So
Yeah.
are you traveling around, right?
Yeah.
You guys are...
All right. So yeah, see, you just saw that guy just turned around, just did a self-imposed cameo. I should have had the pod open up for that, but I didn't. So my pod is deactivated, so I'm using my lapel mic. One of these days I'll buy a gyroscopic stabilizer for the camera. And we're just going to continue on that. Now someone probably will invite you into booths and stuff like that. So I'm going to just continue on with the dolly walk. So, and again, I will ask each booth representative if I could film their product. So I'm doing a general dolly. So, a lot of cool stuff. No, nothing much, just podcasting. So you can see some of the cool stuff and that. Yeah, there's some stuff that's a little risky. So, really cool. Last night's demo was really super cool. I can't wait to start editing that and getting that in post. That I got zig and zag in this line. There is no way to track dolly in this. So, like I said, just gonna go riding down that, just past Cobra's booth. Really nice system. So, a lot of cool equipment for farming shows. Of course, those of you who've been following my channel, you already know about my Hellfire that I'm rebuilding. So, I don't know if there's anything on the back wall here or not, so we'll go ahead and dolly down that. So, and once again, I'm just doing a general dolly walk, and hopefully I'll talk with some of the vendors to see if I can film, or they could talk about their product, and we'll set up a different configuration. Definitely need a new setup. It's okay. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff here. So it's really, really cool. Now, I do believe some of these vendors are not going to be in demo. I'll have to look in the book, double check, so I don't stick my foot in my mouth or my microphone, whichever you prefer. So we'll continue on through the dolly walk. So a lot of cool products and stuff like that. So I'm going to find a corner and I'll finish off this queue, and then maybe I can do some booth interviews about their products and stuff like that. So anyways, hi. All right, so that completes the dolly walk on this. So I will check with booths and see if they will do a product talk on the channel, and if they will, then I'll go ahead and do so, and I'll post it on the channel and continue monitoring my channel. I'm Sprite Attack 248. You're on the Sprite Attack 248 YouTube channel. So long here at the National Fireworks Association 2019 Convention, QRT 73s.